Hi guys, this is Shayan Yogi. A lot of you have messaged me in WhatsApp, Coda and Telegram regarding how to prepare for KVPY essay in just 2 months. I have personally cracked KVPY with just 5 to 6 months of hard work, but you can do it easily too with the right preparation strategy and focus. So without further ado, let's get started. The most coding and easy subject in KVPY essay is chemistry. So in order to score high, you must do chemistry well. The most important topic asked in KVPY essay for chemistry is organic chemistry. For it, I will recommend just 2 books. You can use Solomos and Fry's book by Wiley Publication, which is edited by M.S. Chauhan. And for practice, you can use Advanced Problems in Organic Chemistry by M.S. Chauhan. In organic chemistry, the focus subject should be GOC, matlab General Organic Chemistry, alkene, alkynes, alkanes, stability of carbocations, carbon anions, and also the concepts of resonance, hyperconjugation are important. To further enhance your preparation for KVPY essay, you can also do the chapters like aldehydes and ketones from class 12 syllabus. Previously, such questions have been asked in KVPY essay. So for it, I will recommend you one thing. Just Google important name reactions for JEE. You will get a list of 5 to 10 names. Prepare those reactions well. They might include aldol reactions, Cannizzaro, Baeyer-Villiger oxidation. So with time, the difficulty of KVPY increases. So these reactions are very important as they have also appeared previously in 1 or 2 papers. For physical chemistry and inorganic chemistry, you can use O.P. Tandon, and for inorganic, you can use your school books. They are not so important topics and they have less weightage in KVPY. So that's it for chemistry. Next we come to physics. For KVPY essay, if you see the past year papers, you will see that the most asked topic which occurs in every paper is optics and electrostatics. So you will have to prepare these 2 topics very well. For these 2 topics, I will recommend you 2 books. One is the Golden Book, which is H.C. Verma, which everybody uses. And to further enhance your concepts, you can use, I recommend you definitely use for KVPY essay, D.C. Pandey's Electromagnetism and Electricity book and D.C. Pandey's Optics books. Now you can ask me which topics in optics is most important. I will say that based on my study of the previous year papers, the lateral and longitudinal magnification and the velocity of image in a lens or mirror is very important. Alternatively, mirrored lens and combination of lenses and mirrors is also important. Another important topic is mechanics. For mechanics, you can just use H.C. Verma and they won't ask you much in depth, but I will again tell you to do optics very well. If you see 2019 paper, they asked a question in optics where you just have to use a simple optics concept and some concepts from trigonometry. So even if you have good concepts, you will have to use your brain to really figure out the physics questions. So practice well and practice smart. Do only the questions which appear conceptual to you. Do not do the easy or the calculative questions. KVPY never have asked till date any calculative questions. So next we come to maths. This is where things get a little bit ambiguous. In KVPY maths, you get a mixed bag of questions. So you can get questions from permutation combination, from quadratic equation, from polynomials, from number theory. So for maths, I really can't tell you a single book to prepare all this together. But what I generally recommend students to do, and which is what I did too, is you can use Senge's JEE Advanced books for preparing the algebra. Fine. Then for practice, you can use a book called Tomato in abbreviation. It is a test of mathematics at the 10+2 level. It is published by ISI and it is a very good book for practicing a lot of questions from a variety of areas. So definitely buy that book. It is available in Flipkart and Amazon. You will get it easily. And for number theory, just look at YouTube videos. I think you do not need to purchase expensive books like Richard Burton for preparing number theory. Just go through YouTube videos, just search number theory, and you will get a lot of good and easy content. And they will teach you the application of the concepts as well. So utilize these free resources and it will help you very much. And for maths, something I would like to tell you is just like in any other exam, you must practice, practice and practice. There is no one way to reach at an answer which you will understand very well if you follow the previous year papers. And all that matters in maths is your concepts and your aptitude. So yes, maths is a tough nut to crack in KVPY essay, for those who are not accustomed with RMO and stuff. But yes, you can do it as I have done it as well. So be on your A game in maths. Now let's come to biology. Biology is one of the most scoring subjects and most easy subjects in KVPY essay if you can remember things well. But you do not have to indulge in rote learning to ace biology for KVPY essay. Let us talk about the books and the topics which are most important so you can prepare efficiently. So let's get started. For biology, I will only recommend you the NCERT books for class 11 and 12. Now, what you have to do from NCERT, let me tell you. From class 11 book, most important is you leave the first 4 chapters. They are for boards and NEET and they have no use in your KVPY preparation. So, leave the first 4 chapters, and then the most important thing from class 11 book is human physiology. Most questions in KVPY which have been asked till date have been from human physiology only. So in human physiology, I have selected some of the most important chapters which are chemical coordination, digestion and absorption and excretion. If you read in between the lines, you will get many facts and points which have been asked in KVPY in previous year papers. And from the NCERT class 12 book, you have to leave the last few chapters and you have to do well these chapters. Principles of inheritance, molecular basis of inheritance, evolution, human health and diseases, and human reproduction. Another book which you will find very helpful for biology is Resonance KVPY Essay Study Materials Biology Module. It has all the important points from NCERT and from beyond NCERT summed up, and it is very helpful for a quick glance and revision. And I will give you a small example as to why you should read biology between the lines. So you must read each and every line very well. In 2019, a question was asked that from where a certain hormone is released. No information about the hormone was given, so you only had the name, and the answer was kidney. But you will not find this anywhere in Resonance book or in any other book if you use. But if you read NCERT well, in a small corner it is written that this hormone is released from kidney. So I read NCERT very well and it saved me that day. So you must also focus on reading each and every line very well. Coming to the end, a lot of you asked me whether it is possible to crack KVPY in 3 months or 4 months or 2 months. I say if you study hard, if you study well, if you study with focus for at least 4 to 6 hours a day, it is very easy for you to crack KVPY with a good rank. So all the best for your preparations. I hope you will do very well in your exams. Bye and have a productive day.